All right, Baruch Rabbi, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Levi Ben Sosha Berdichev. This week's Parshas Vayigash. In the book of Genesis, chapter 45, verse 12, we read, It says, and behold, thy eyes see the eyes of my brother Benjamin, because my mouth is speaking unto you. It says the Heilige Barditchev Rav and Kedushas Levi, Tehini Mori Rabbi at Sadik Marina Reb Dov Ber, Amish Kumash Yesh Or V'Choshech Boilam, Kach Yesh B'Seich Ladam Or V'Choshech Ad Kan Dvorav. He says that the Mizritcher Maggid said that just like there's light and darkness, darkness and light, light and darkness in the world, so too in the human mind there's also light and darkness. That's what the Heilige Mizritcher Maggid said. Perhaps that's what Jung was referring to when he said that his psychology was already taught by the Mizritcher Maggid. Says the Kedushas Levi, that when a person hears words that come from the mouth of a saint, his intelligence, his mind is cleaned, is cleansed, and his eyes are illuminated. That's what it says, thy eyes see in the eyes of my brother Benjamin. Joseph, being the archetype of the saint, says to his brothers that your eyes see, that they're illuminated and they're cleansed, your mind is cleansed because of my mouth that's talking to you. Because from the words of the saint, the mind of those who listen to him is cleansed and purified. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.